Hello friends, this video is in continuation of creating the assessment through Google Forms, and in this video I am telling you about how you can limit the time duration for attempting this questionnaire or the assessment. So how to proceed for this is a very small form which I have generated. It is just a test demo to demonstrate how you can work on to limit your time or the duration for the attempt of this questionnaire. So what you have to do after designing your question, go on. I think you are aware of that you can limit the responses. Again I am telling you, go on your settings. I have already discussed this in the previous video. Limit to 1 responses and then click on the save button at the extreme right corner. After that, go on these dotted these dots available at the extreme right, click over here. Then you will see add-ons, click on this. You have to click and select the form limiter option. Now this form limiter is not enabled by default, you have to install it, and it is in your G Suite marketplace. Just click on install, continue. It will ask from which email ID you are going to access it. I am using this one, and then it will ask the permission. You have to give it agree or allow. It will start processing. After processing, it will show the icon like this. Click on the done button and you will see a form limiter option available on my screen over here. Now what I have to do, I will simply click just close this G Suite marketplace window, and then so this is the another window which I can see over here, and I can see this add-on option available which was not initially available on my this Google form. So what I have to do, I have to limit my form for a certain period of time for a specific day. So I'll click on the button over here. So I am giving date and time option over here. When a due date is set on, so that means on which date you want to release your Google form, that is you are scheduling your UT. So you select the date over here, say I'm doing it for today only, and select time. Click on this button and then I will make it for 1 p.m. and say 1:25, say 1:25 p.m. and I am setting it set. So you can see that I have set the time as 2:30 p.m. and then save and enable. Now I'm sending my this form to various link or to the link to on which my children can access and do the test. So I'm simply sharing the link for that. Click on the link over here. You can shorten the URL, copy it either through your WhatsApp, you can copy and paste, or through email you can send it. Through email you can send it, write the email, or just simply copy the link which you have already copied. You can share it through your WhatsApp. So this is how you can send your form, and I'll show you that after 2:30 if someone tries to attempt, what answer they will